Alright, hi, I'm Nick Reda,
Connor Jones.
and this is our ECE210 Spring 2017 project.
So for this, we decided to create a two-player wireless battleship. We should start on.
So here's the demonstration. So the first phase of the game is placing your ships. So you can press the left button to change your ship orientation, use the joystick to change your ship position, and press the right button to place your ship on the screen. You can place it anywhere within the 10 by 10 grid, as long as it doesn't go out of bounds.
And as soon as you get them placed, you're going to wait for the other person to have theirs placed so that they can wirelessly sync up.
Yep. And then once they wirelessly sync up, you'll be able to move your cursor around, and you'll be able to change between what is the equivalent of the lower grid in physical Battleship to what is the equivalent of the upper grid. And the up grid represents the shots you've taken at the other player, and the lower grid is your own ships. So this LED indicates that it's my turn. So I will. Yep, he does not have the LED. So I will switch to my shots grid, and I will pick a location to shoot. And you can see that it is a miss.
So I'm at shots grid. If I cycle through to my ship placement grid, you can see the white dot shows that it was a miss, and it is now my turn.
All right.
So I'll just take a shot.
And you can see as he takes the shot, it shows up on my ship's grid.
And my shot grid shows a miss. It's in bad Battleship.
Well, it's just random.
Yeah.
So I'll take another shot. Another miss.
Alright, I'm going to shoot, and then you just want to look at mine.
Yeah, well. Okay, so here we'll demonstrate a hit. Let's see, the fifth one down and two over. So if I take a shot at a place where I know where his ship is, it will be a hit.
So I'll cycle through two.
And then here you can do the same for mine.
Oh, I just shot.
Okay, some gameplay time later, we have a few ships sunk, and you can see that out of his original 5 ships, 2 are sunk, and he has 3 ships left on his screen. As we sink ships, they show up on our shot screen, and I will do so now. And these LEDs light up temporarily. And then after he refreshes, his ship counter ticks down. So these squares in the corners of our screens indicate our player numbers. Magenta is player 1, and orange is player 2. And they determine who goes first, and they're mainly for debugging purposes, but they do indicate that the wireless IDs are set up correctly. So it is my turn again. I will. Let's see, where is it? I'll shoot at one of his ships. Shows up on his screen, and then he shoots at one of mine. Now there is a small quirk with the program, if you will, that happens when someone makes a shot. Sometimes what will happen is a shot is made, as you can see that I just did right there, but the message doesn't go through until the opponent's PS2 is moved. And maybe I didn't make the shot long enough. Okay.
Oh.
Didn't happen that time. It's very unreliable. Here it's happening. So it's still my turn, despite the fact that I've shot. And now when he moves,
There.
it becomes his turn. And that's not part of the game logic. It seems to be something odd with the way the API works.
Okay, so I'm down to my last ship.
You can see his indicator indicates one ship. And if I mercilessly destroy, then all his ships have died. Well, one Sunburst is trying to.
Oh, sorry.
And the win and loss messages come up on screen. And the machines halt. And thus concludes the game of Battleship. Well,
Good luck on your projects.
yep, we hope you enjoyed.
Yeah, we're good.